All right, so let's go ahead now and begin to insert some template tags into our post template. And I mentioned earlier in the course that template tags are primarily used to display information. So you could use tags to display the author of a post, the date the post was published, the category, display the tags, things like that. So what we're going to do right now would be to display three different kinds of information for each post. We'll display the author of the post, we'll display the category of the post, and then finally we'll display the date the post was published. So what we're going to do is we're going to make use of the following tags. Let me scroll all the way down here, and I'm going to show you the tags we're going to use. We're going to use the author tag right here to display the author of this tag. We're going to also use the category tag to display the category of the post. And then finally, the date, I don't think we have that over here. I don't see it. Anyway, I think, okay, oh, here it is, here it is. Here it is, the underscore date, it's right here. So those are the three tags we're going to use to display different kinds of information for our post. So let's go to our template. First things first, just after the thumbnail, let's go ahead and create some space. We're going to display the very first tag, which is going to be PHP the underscore author. All right. So let's see how this would actually look like. I'm just go ahead and close this tag. Let's save this. All right, now let's go back to the post. Let's refresh the page. And voila, you can see it's right here. It's starter is the person who wrote this article. This is starter as well, starter. But this looks really, really bad, right? So let's make some changes to the template. The very first I'm going to do would be to make sure this is in H3 so that this is going to be on its own separate line. H3, and then we can also do something like this. We can say written by, and then we can also encapsulate this with the EM tags to make it in italics. Let me go ahead and close that here as well. All right, let's see how this is going to look like. Let's save this. Okay, let's go back in here. And let's see what we've done. Okay, now this looks a lot better. Written by is on its own separate line right now. Written by starter, and so on. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and insert the very next tag, which in this case would be the date. So I'm just going to make sure it's in H3 as well. So we have PHP the underscore date. And then let's close the H3 tag. And let's just go ahead and also display the category as well. Let's just do that. So I'll say H3 once again. And then I'll say category dash. Let's open up our PHP tag. And then the tag itself, which is going to be the underscore category. Bracket, semicolon, let's close the tag, let's close the H3 tag as well. Okie dokie, let's save this. Okay, let's now go back to our post once again. Let's refresh the page and let's see what we have. Okay, so there you go. Written by starter, August 12, 2018. This is the category. Now, this is something that's a little bit annoying sometimes. You will notice that the category all have bullets. They have the li tag, the HTML li tag, and if you inspect this on your browser, you will see that it's in an A tag. We have the li, and it's making it go to a second line. So sometimes several kinds of themes will add their own custom CSS to certain kinds of elements, like your category, your list items. So this is very, very annoying, and we'll have to use CSS to fix this. We'll do that later. But for now, we have successfully added three different template tags to display the author of the post, the date the post was published, and then finally the category which the post belongs to. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and join me in the next class where we'll begin to work with CSS.